Hi everybody, welcome to Lotus Kitchen. So this is the special Pav Bhaaji. It's everybody's favorite. So let's get started. Let's begin our first step. I have taken a kadai. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of butter. And some oil. One onion, ginger garlic paste, saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's check. The tomatoes are done. It's turned mushy. Now I'm going to add some red chilli powder. 1 to 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Two teaspoon Pav Bhaaji masala. Mix this. Now I'm going to mash this with the help of a masher. To this I'm going to add some boiled potato. I have taken 4 to 5 potatoes. Mix it properly. Now again mash this properly. To this I'm going to add some hot water, some salt, we'll allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's check this. This is almost ready. Now just off the flame and I'm going to transfer this into my serving bowl. Now take the paws and grease it with some butter and lightly toast them on the pan. Now this yummy looking Pav Bhaaji is ready. So please try this recipe and let me know how it tastes. And I'm going to enjoy this now. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Stay home, stay safe, and thanks for watching.